In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload attachments in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to add files like receipts, invoices, or supporting documents so they're stored neatly in one place. To start, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. Click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens a menu with a variety of tools that help you manage your account. From this menu, choose Attachments, then click it to open the Attachments page. This is the central hub where all your uploaded files live, and it's the easiest place to add new ones. On the Attachments page, you'll see two simple ways to bring in your files. The first option is to use the Add Attachment button. Click that, and a window from your computer will pop up. Browse to the file you want to include, maybe a PDF receipt, a JPEG of a bill, or a spreadsheet. Select it and confirm. QuickBooks will start uploading it right away. You'll know it worked when you see the file name or a small preview appear in the list. The second option is even faster. If you already have your file handy on your desktop or in a folder, simply click and drag it onto the Attachments page. Drop it into the area that indicates you can drag and drop, and the upload will begin automatically. It's the same result as using the button, just with fewer clicks. A few quick tips can make this smoother. Use clear, consistent file names so you can find things later. Something like vendor name, invoice, month, year works well. Stick to common formats such as PDF, JPG, PNG, or standard Office documents. If a file is large, consider compressing it to speed up the upload. Make sure your internet connection is steady, and if you ever see a brief delay, give the page a moment to finish processing. And of course, avoid including sensitive information in your file names or attachments. Once your file is uploaded, it will stay visible on the Attachments page, which makes it easy to reference later. That's all there is to it. Go to the top right, click Settings, choose Attachments, and either click Add Attachment or drag your file into the page. With these two methods, you can keep your documents organized and accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.